Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shahjahan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video, must watch the video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. Rana Daggubati starts shooting for season 2 of Raina Naidu. The highly acclaimed series Raina Naidu is gearing up for its much anticipated season 2 following its successful debut on the OTT platform. With stellar performance and an engaging storyline, fans and eagerly waiting the return of Victory Venkatesh and Raina Naidu marked the first collaborations of the Bahubali actor Rana Daggubati with his uncle Venkatesh Daggubati. Talking about the series renewal, Tanya Bami series head Netflix Indian earlier said Netflix India series slate has been entertaining in members with a wide variety of exciting stories across genres over the last couple of years, and Raina Naidu has been a great way for us to end the first quarter of 2023. The high adrenaline thriller has enthralled fans in India and around the world. The dynamic cast, headlined by Raina and Venkatesh Daggubati and supported by a brilliant ensemble of Sarveen Chawla, Sushant Singh, Abhishek Banerjee, Ashish Vadardi have been lauded for their performance. We are delighted to announce that his high stakes family drama and the riveting father son tension will be back for a second season with more twists, turns, and publishing actions. Raina Naidu Season 2 is now filling a post read on the official Instagram handle of Netflix India. Produced by Sundar Aron and Locomotive Global, the series is created by Karan Anshuman and directed by Karan Anshuman, Sumpan S. Verma, and Abhay Chopra. The first season received appreciation globally and in India with an Indian and international audience hooked to the character, their conflict and the chaos that ensues when a strong personality from the city inevitably of power and celebrity clash with each other. Raina Naidu marked the first collaborations of the Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, July 2023. Lights, camera, action actor Rana Daggubati has come in shooting for the second season of the series Raina Naidu. On Tuesday, streaming giant Netflix shared and updated by giving a sneak peek into some BTS clips for the set. Raina Naidu is a 10-episode long series that saw Rana play a fixer of the stars. The titular character, while Venkatesh played his father Naga Naidu. The series delved into the toxic and disruptive relationship between Rana and Naga. The written material was tweaked from the original show of Sweet Indian Taste. The show was released in multiple languages, including Telugu in Hindi. The actor was at a college in Hyderabad a few days ago to promote his upcoming film Sandhavan when the student began asking him when season 2 of Raina Naidu would release. The actor quipped, Naga Naidu, his character is not a common man. People from across the world have been asking us to make a sequel. Youngsters like you liked it and are demanding a sequel, but not everyone feels the same. So this time we'll be more careful without losing the touch of mischief the series is known for. We don't have to offend anyone this time. It will be good. I will shoot for the sequel of January 2024. Producer Sundar Aron from Locomotive Global has expressed his excitement from the renewal from the series for season 2, stating that the success of Raina Naidu is a tribute to the compelling characters and fast-paced authentic storytelling. The cast and crew have poured their hearts and soul into bringing the vibrant world of the Naidus to life. And it's clear that audiences around the world have been captivated by the character and their story. The hard work and dedications of everyone involved have truly paid off, and the team is thrilled to continue delivering the same high quality entertainment in the upcoming season. The electrifying thriller has captured the imaginations of fans not only in India but also across the globe. The exceptional cast led by Rana and Venkatesh Dagubati and supported by an outstanding ensemble including Sarveen Chawla, Sushant Singh Abhishek Banerjee and Ashish Vidyarthi have received high praise for their special performance. The main cast member of Rana Nadu include Rana and Venkatesh Dagubati, Sarvin Chawla, Abhishek Banerjee and Ashish Vidhati. Disclaimer statement: this content is authored by the views expressed here that respective authors, entities and do not represent the views economical Rana Dagubati and Venkatesh made their streaming debut with the much-hyped Rana Nadu on Netflix earlier this year. While the show received some deserved reactions from the audience, the second season has already been greenlit by the streamer. Speaking about the second season of the Ray Down One adaptations, Venkatesh said at a recent event in Hyderabad that the second season won't offend anyone. The first season of Rana Nadu was disliked by some Telugu fans for its crude languages. Venkatesh addressed it and said, "This time I will be much more careful. I intend not to offend anyone this time. Last time people from our region got affected, but I assure you this time it will be good. However, it will have a tinge of mischief." Venkatesh said that audience from all over the world have been asking him about the second season of the Netflix show. I am about to begin filming for Ramanadu 2 from January 2024. Naganadu Venkatesh character is not a common man. People from across the world have been asking us to make the sequel of the web show. All the youngsters have watched it and are now demanding the second installment. So Venkatesh says Rana Nadu season 2 won't offend anyone, says people from our region got affected with first season. The first season of Rana Nadu was disliked by same Telugu fans for its crude language, and Venkatesh assured that the second season won't offend anyone. Venkatesh opened up recently while promoting his upcoming film Sindha. The makers are taking care to repeat the mistake for season 1 of Rana Nadu. Venkatesh and Rana Dagubati web series news for all wrong reason when it streamed on Netflix earlier this year. The Indian adaptations of Ray Donovan seemed title is very huge.